This pose is hard though. Alright, let's hear the switch up.
Okay.
Okay, tempo switch. Hopefully I record this shit because this is kind of fire though. Yo, what going on? Today I'm finna show you how I can make ESDEEKID type of beat. So basically it's like easy. I just picked like 3 tracks. So he got like 2 type of beats, like a jerk, slow jerk pose, like 140 BPM, not like the fast one like Javier does, like 200 BPM. And he got like a trap one, you know, like this, like regular hi-hat, snare, all that shit, but with specific melody. I fuck with this like beat because it's like kinda just one chord basically throughout the whole shit. 1 minute 50. I love them type of beats, and just the same drums. So let's just combine this like jerk beat with this like melody, and let's also try to replicate this like trippy doo melody, you know what I'm saying? I'm just not trying to play too much because I'm gonna get copyrighted, but like who gives a fuck, I ain't got no monetization. So yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, so I just rebooted my Windows, so I ain't got no plugins though. Just let's do the failed plugins, let's test them out. Flex. Let's just find some synth. How to use this thing though? What is that, a library store? Damn. Yeah, tags. Yeah, let's just go with pad, and this one,
okay,
it's 140, right? 140, I bet. So boom, 140. Let's just track stems to understand how to rap on it. Not how to rap on it, how to, if you mean the bounce. Just take the acapella for the reference. It's like the cheat code. You're not overproducing doing this like acapella method. Alright, it's done. Let me just understand what the key is. I feel like just the same note again and again, right? Yeah. C sharp, C. Okay, in this case, it's like just like a glow type progression. We can do this. So I like to make my beats in 17 bar pattern. So let's do this. Let's start easy with the pad. So we pick F minor here. Click this shit. Now we need a little more soft. Yes, think to you. Let's try use this one. So to create this like this kind of effect, just place like a minor chord like this and make these notes like right next to each other, the tension notes, and remove this one. Create this dark feeling, I bet. And we're gonna like humanize it a little. How much BPM on this track? Like, alright, so we gotta pick either this one or 140 BPM. Alright, let's do it like a beat switch. Let's start with this like 180. It's even like higher, I feel like 192-ish. And then I'ma switch up to the slower ones, or I'ma start with slower ones, and then now I'ma throw on 3rd channel. I got my 2 set up. So this is when you place your bass. Let's say this one. So this kid gonna be out soon. I place my basses on 7 and I sidechain them to the melody. So let's say this A8, right? A8, and this is the melody. So I'll do this. I right click, sidechain to this track, and I set up my limiter with this preset. Turn on the sidechain, and like this, it's required also put this sidechain source. You know. So when you place your bass, place my bass. Let's not put bass on the root note. Let's just do this like glow type of bounce, because like a bass goes up, you know. And also I use this like preset on my limiter. So also pick this sidechain. Don't leave this section out, and just go to compressor, turn off all these, and just make some kind of this shape, and it's gonna create this like distorted effect. But this bass is kind of trash. Let me change it to this jerk one from Aura Kit. Yeah, it's kind of more like though. Maybe. But in his shit right here,
okay,
just one bass hit, and that's it. There's like one, and it's bigger one. So let's do it. A little like slower, and there's like pauses right here. So we're gonna make them pauses with the master volume automation. This pause is really like important though. Let's sauce it up a little bit. Let's just add like another pattern, you know what I'm saying? With base pattern, let's create let's copy this base. I do it like right click, see, and gonna copy it, and here you can pick the base we already used though. Boom, and let's just copy and paste it. And also don't forget to cut itself like how we in here. So third case, we gotta make third. You gotta do it to prevent the messing up two bases, you know. So when the second base plays, the first one is cut off. Yeah, fuck with it. And let's sauce it up like just simple like this rhythm right here. Alright, now let's put a snare. This one kinda go. So this is jerk bounce, regular jerk bounce. This shape is like, remember it. Also, so you can sauce it up with these notes, like some of this, some of these rolls. I do it with the out press, so the note not touch the grid. Some of that. Yeah, we're gonna find the bounce. But his beat is really like simple. Maybe out here, let's throw, might be double here. You know? Let's make a melody in this second part of the beat, trippy melody, and that's it. And we're gonna be done because we ain't gotta do too much shit. See how like fast I make the beats, cause like I already got my shit set up. So I got my sidechain set up. I got my, you know what I'm saying, limiters. Some like my go-to effects set up. I'm making them fat. Now let's check some lead, and we're gonna make them lead notes really like more subtle, you know, cause like the really dark beats, they ain't got that much of a high end. So let's just pick the soft one. Soft means like without this like high end. Yeah, let's turn it on. I know like Xundr got a lot of shit, but I ain't got no Xundr, so it's like we're making a beat with stack plugins, and I'm gonna show you can make them stack plugins sounds good too. Oh yeah, it's kinda got this like pitch automation down a little bit down. Yeah, I'm going towards the sci-fi shit. Also kind of matches the vibe of his whole personality. ESDEEKID is kind of more nostalgic shit. Alright, let's copy the effects from the third channel to second one and put this lead second channel, and there we're just gonna place this like high-end cut. Yeah. So if is this preset a lot of highs, you can just remove it by throwing an EQ, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's go. And we're not gonna fucking invent no wheels, no new shit. To make like create the dynamics, just go up, down, some shit like that. Just click shit in. It sounds like Detroit shit, but fuck. Yeah, it's too much, it's too fast for him. It like feels like a Detroit beat. Let's do like twice as low. Yeah, it's kind of more like a little bit more unique, you know, because everybody be repeating shit like this. It's cool, but let's just do some weird shit like this. It's like, it's unique, it's like a little goofy, and this is why it's like kind of catchy. And I really see how people can get this shit like stuck in their head, so it's kind of catchy, weird, goofy, catchy shit, you know. Maybe just octave up like this. I'm gonna like type. Alright, let's make a pattern 32 bar long. Like let's combine them two. Ctrl G. Let's make a variation. So let's delete this and move it here. So we got two parts where the bass is low and this lead plays, and where the bass is like not low. My fault. It's short, and the bass is like long. So and this is where short bass. And let's just bring this down. So you know. and let's turn this limiter like crazy, so it's like compress crazy and also throw like some stereo. It's like kind of screams, you know? It's kind of, it's fucking drowned under the bass and trying to like swim up. How it sounds like in a short one. Yo! Some reverb. And let's also throw P controller to control more of the reverb. So when the note hits, there's no reverb on the sound, and when the note like fades out, the reverb kick in. Let me show you, not know what I'm saying? Too much of the shit. So you pick this one, this shit. Just remember the shit. I don't really know what the fuck that means. Just remember it from the tutorial, and you click invert. And you see, when it plays, it ducks the reverb. And let's also do this thing. So let's put like shaper box on it, so it's more rhythmy. Nah, I'm doing it too much, too dancey. Yeah, we gotta make this like heavy feel of this beat if you're trying to make a ESDEEKID beat. So yeah, it's kind of cool when it's like fills up the whole space. I would throw some kind of like panning shit. Let's speed it up. And this shit too. You know, I sauced it up instantly. Now it's not too flat. I kinda took a lot of the space of the stereo space, and also it's not the same every fucking time on mono. And also what I wanna do is throw some kinda noise on it, cause noise all over the nature. We got used to it, you know. Noise really sauce it up. Right now it sounds too perfuse, like, you know, too synthy. You can add the soul to this with the noise. Yeah, you feel me? It's way more spookier, like what the fuck, like running towards me, you know what I'm saying? Some ugly shit. Some bitch running at me. So basically what I'm doing is the sound design shit from the stock sounds. So this is the extra work you do to make this shit sound cool. So this is basically what them plugins do. These paid plugins, they already throw them like noises, them modulations and shit like that, them filters, so you can use ready sounds. But when you know how to sound design, you got way more control of your beat, and you like advance way more when you know them shit. And you can do this, so it comes in now with waves. Hey yo. Creates extra bounce. And here is also, this is why I throw the soothe on. So it just removes the necessary frequencies to make the bass hit. So if I just throw the low cut, it's not the same, you know. It leaves way more low end, and it's not clashing with the bass, you feel me? Man, it's like a baby Tron. Shit. Nah. They just stick to the. Now let's recreate this effect we do this, and we create automation clip, bam, paste, and just do like this, and bring it like this a little, because felt tripping a little bit when you do it rough cuts like this. See, it's not instant, you know, it's a little like delay, so you wanna hit all the volume on the next bar, so you gotta bring it a little earlier. You feel me? And you can do it regular right here. Type. Alright, let's say that's the first one. The second part of the switch up and shit. Boom. And let's do the same melody though. And right here, let's create a automation 180, and here create 140, and we're just gonna transition some other time. You know what I'm saying? And let's just make this one unique. Third, boom. Bring it here.
Blacked out like a phantom. Your phone keeps having a tantrum. You won't boy with a party. This song your national anthem. To the man.
Let's just make it a little quieter. Also put on some channel though, and put a limiter on it. Create this distortion shit. Sidechain, boom, limiter. Everybody be hating on limiter, but limiter changed my life. That was corny, but true though.
Blacked out like a phantom. Your phone keeps having a tantrum. You won't boy with a party. This song your national anthem. Fuck gold on platinum. My bro sitters on magnums. Got girls flocking over. Young lads and I'm handsome. If you talk shit till I bang them. You band up to the mansion.
The same shit, feel me? It's a lot of like joke beats. That's the shit. This kind of stuff. That's it. This pose is hard though. You've never got no motion, like you've never got no action. Bitch, I'm all about me passion. Music, money, and fashion. Drugs and girls come and it's all a distraction. Alright, let's hear the switch up. Okay. Tempo switch. Hopefully I record this shit because this is kind of fire though. That's it, gang. That's easy though. So different styles, showed you different styles, faster ones, slower ones. Appreciate you watching this. Let me know what you trying to see next. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna do what's popping right now, what VidIQ tells me. I gotta decrypt these waves, you know, to get my channel popping. Took a little break, you know what I'm saying, cause I did this like gospel tutorial video, and I thought everybody gonna fuck with it shit heavy, but nobody really gives a fuck. Maybe I'm gonna change the thumbnail. I'm gonna just do shit like I don't give a fuck, and then just upload. I mean, let me see, you know, not gonna do crazy edits. And yeah, by the way, go peep our website, fromscratch.com with the neck. This is all the kids, all our kids here, the self-made kid, feel me, bro. This like 3 kids or 2 I was talking about. And yeah, we finna drop a lot of samples, so stay tuned, bro, stay tuned. Appreciate you watching though. Peace. Turn me up.